Hi, my name is Rechi Casiliano. We are the Group 5. Today, I'll be discussing our strategic plan. In this presentation, I'll start with an introduction highlighting its importance and relevance. So, let's get started. Introduction. In simple terms, strategic planning is like making a roadmap for a company, especially for small lodging businesses like bed and breakfast. These small lodging businesses may face a lot of challenges in keeping up with what guests want and competing with other hotels. So having a plan helps us improve how we can run things and make our guests happier. Cozy Nook Retreats might struggle with training their staff well, which can make guests unhappy and choose to stay somewhere else. This could also hurt the business. So having a good plan in place that focuses on training and other important things can help these small lodging businesses stay competitive and keep our guests happy. In this introduction, we'll talk about why strategic planning is important for B&Bs, what things they need to think about when making a strategic plan, and how having a good plan can really help these small lodging businesses do well in the hospitality industry.
Hello, good day. My name is Jeffrey Madreleos from BSHM 4B. So for my part is historical background. Cozy Nook Retreats established on June 13, 2024 to 2015. Cozy Nook Retreats Bed and Breakfast has been one of the finest bed and breakfast in the Bulacan, Philippines. Providing quality service, foods, and unforgettable experience, this bed and breakfast company was conceptualized primarily to help improve the quality of the tourists and guests through providing quality service, foods, and an unforgettable experience, but most importantly, to promote the Philippines to be one of the top tropical destination in the world. And on first, ang Cozy Nook Retreats po ay na-establish noong June 13, 2015. Cozy Nook Retreats Bed and Breakfast is nag-o-offer siya ng quality service and unforgettable experience towards sa aming customers or sa aming visitors. And isa din sa target ng Cozy Nooks is maging isa sa kinikilala o kilalang bed and breakfast sa Pilipinas. At gano'n na din ang gusto namin magawa, ma-promote ang Pilipinas kung saan magiging isa tayo sa mga kilalang bansa na may magandang quality service sa mundo ng bed and breakfast and hindi lang doon kundi sa tourism industry.
Good day, Doc Gab. My name is Jack Andrew Bailon. Ang naka-assign po sa akin is organization chart. Organization chart, owner Jeffrey Madreleas, general manager Richie Casilano, and front desk John Ray P. Abella, housekeeping John Mark Miel, kitchen staff, it's me, Jack Andrew Bailon. Duty responsibility is ito yung hawak po ng owner ni Jeffrey Madreleas, yung creating a business plan and strategy, keeping track of finances and accounting, handling legal and compliance responsibilities, managing marketing and sales, ensuring outstanding customer service, identifying hiring and HR needs, overseeing the team, managing day-to-day operation, planning new initiatives, training your teams, addressing technology issues, staffing, and management. Tapos dito naman sa general manager na si Richie Casilano is approve budget. Siya yung nagbabudget ng namin sa company namin sa business. And my department heads oversee daily operation, seek out new business strategies, staff teams. And sa front desk naman po is kay John Ray Abella. Ang pinapangalagaan niya is computer knowledge, communication, customer service, problem solving. And sa housekeeping naman si John Mark Miel. Ito po yung sa kanya is yung washing linen, disinfecting linen and floors, cleaning toilet bowls and sinks, ensure guest room and common areas in hotel like labs, restaurant, conference room, etc. Collecting trash from hotel floor and managing waste basket appropriately. Cleaning window and guest room if there are no screen inside the room. Making beds every morning and changing linen daily if guests have not stayed in the room overnight. Vacuuming carpet and rugs and guest room. Disposing of the trash properly in hotels. Always being mannerly, professional, and tactful when dealing with guests who need help. Collecting room service trays from the hotel staff or management. Making beds during the night when all rooms are empty. Ushering guests to their room if needed. Ensuring that there is no dirt on floors or other areas where guests walk on. Making sure the hotel vehicles are clean during duty hours. Cleaning up at all housekeeping related function and assisting higher level supervisor with all housekeeping related tasks. And sa akin naman po is yung kitchen staff, yung chef, line cook, prep cook, yun lang naman po yung sa akin.
The Cozy Nook Retreats vision. The vision of Cozy Nook Retreats is to provide a place for rest, relaxation, enjoyment for food, and renewal to those who are weary and heavy laden. Mission. The mission of Cozy Nook Retreats is to be admired by others for offering this place for experience, escapes, foods, entertainment, and education. We believe there is healing and hope for all who come. Objectives. The Cozy Nook Retreats has a goal for not being a place for getaways and foodies. It will serve a much purpose and mission. We will look to provide exceptional service and facilities that maximize the ability of our guests to discover themselves even more. Core values, we have triple S: superior hospitality, supportive services, and supreme comfort. On our SWOT analysis summary, first, the strength. So, first of our strength is the staff knows what they are selling and will help the customers to have a better experience. So, first things first, ang main product or one of our product is customer service or yung service ng staffs namin between sa mga customers namin. So, syempre sa bread and breakfast industry and sa tourism industry, isa naman talaga ang product nila is service. So, yun, ang strength namin, kaya na namin siya nilagay kasi ang staff namin ay magiging mas magagaling at hindi lang magagaling kung hindi magagawa nila ng maayos yung trabaho nila at mabibigay nila ang gusto ng aming customers para magkaroon nga ng better experience. So, next is yung providing quality tours and warm service for the customers. So, isa yun sa mga importante, kaya yun ang nilagay namin strength kasi meron kami nun yung providing quality tours and of course yung warm service for the customers. So thirdly is the good relationship with local affiliates, residents, and communities. So syempre, kailangan din nating alagaan yung community na meron tayo. Hindi lang pwedeng sa business lang naman natin iikot ang lahat eh. So isa yun sa nilagay naming strength kasi we need to have a good relationship between those na nasa labas ng aming business. ng bread and breakfast. And then second is have a nice attitude and always serve with a heart. Syempre, isa naman yun. Kaya nga sabi ko kanina, ang main product or one of the product ng bread and breakfast industry or tourism industry is service. So, syempre, unang kailangan sa service talaga is yung attitude nyo. Attitude ng mga staffs, no? So, kaya isa yun sa strength namin and also yung a heart. Syempre, mas maganda pa rin yung may care ka pagdating sa pagbibigay ng service sa mga tao. And second is yung aesthetic room for new generation customers. Syempre, sa ngayon is nag-i-exist na yung mga aesthetic style. So, nilagay din namin yun. So, strength din namin siya kasi ganun commonly yung room namin para naman sa new generation. And then yung highly cleaning routine, syempre kailangan namin ng ginagawa namin ng maayos ang cleaning materials namin, cleaning routine namin gamit ang cleaning materials and schedules, syempre. Then yung fully private, comfortable rooms and service for customers, syempre importante din yun. Yung fully private kasi sa ngayon, kailangan talaga ng mga tao na ganyan is yung privacy. Gusto nila makuha yung privacy, kaya sila umenter. So kami, kaya nilagay namin siya sa strength kasi meron din kami nun. And then, yung weakness naman namin is yung weak advertisement. So isa yun kasi hindi ganun kaganda or hindi namin ganun ma-advertise po yung aming bread and breakfast business. Hindi naman po namin siya may bibigay sa tao agad. Hindi naman din po namin siya magagawa agad. 'Di ba? Hindi naman ganun kadaling i-advertise Hindi maliit lang yung saklaw niya or yung nasasakupan ng advertisement niya. From online lang, Facebook to Instagram, then that's it. Parang ganun namin siya tingnan. And then yung environmental issues namin, syempre, unang-una na dun yung mga climate change na tinatawag, di ba? Ngayon, nararamdaman natin yun na sobrang init, hindi naman kaya is malakas yung ulan, malamig, di ba? So, isa yun sa weakness namin kasi nga, accommodation yung kinukuha namin. So, bakit pa sila mag-accommodate, mag-stay na lang sa bahay? Ganun yung naisip namin na weakness. Then, yung opportunities doon is yung government and city current location. Isa kasi sa tinitingnan namin yung Bulacan. Bulacan is one of the well-known tourist places dito sa atin sa Pilipinas. No? Marami tayong pwedeng lugar na mapuntahan sa Bulacan. Hindi lang sa San Jose del Monte, kung hindi sa buong Bulacan. So, kaya, at isa pa doon is malapit tayo sa Caloocan. Ang San Jose del Monte ay malapit sa Caloocan, Quezon City, then Manila. So, kung ang gusto ng mga tao na tumakas muna sa magulong lugar, pwede silang pumunta. So, kaya nilagay namin yung opportunities yung government and city current location. Then, rising city din tayo. No? Then, yung secondly is yung easy access for potential clients around Bulacan and even some parts of Metro Manila near Bulacan. So, yun nga, kagaya nga ng sinabi ko kanina, madali lang yung access ng pagpunta. Hindi mahihirapan kasi gawa nga ng malapit lang nga sa Metro Manila ang Bulacan, San Jose del Monte. Gayun din ang malawak na lugar ng Bulacan, di ba? May Giginto, may Bukawi, may Santa Maria, maraming klaseng pwedeng mapuntahan. So, di ba, kung ang tao ay pupunta doon sa mga lugar na yun, pag napagod sila, pupunta sila sa amin. So, kaya yun yung nilagay naming opportunities. And then, thirdly is yung threats, is yung government regulations. So, sa tingin namin, nilagay namin yung government regulations kasi merong mga batas na kailangan sundin. At magiging threat siya kung tutuusin kasi minsan hindi natin masasabi na sumusunod tayo ng maayos. So, minsan may nalalabag talaga tayo nang hindi natin nalalaman. So, kaya nilagay namin yung government regulations dahil isa din sa nakikita naming threat is yun nga, yung regulation ng government talaga. Diba, may mga batas na hindi natin alam na nalalabag na pala ng mga customers natin, no? So sa atin babalik yun. And yun sunod dun yung well-established competitors. Syempre threat sila pagdating dito sa klase ng business na to or bread and breakfast, diba? So mas sa kanila na lang pupunta yung tao dahil gawa nga ng kilala na sila. And then yung natural disasters, so syempre sabi ko nga kanina, sa weakness namin yung environmental issues, yung natural disasters naman ngayon. We threat naman siya dahil nga sa kaganapan, di ba? Kagaya ng pandemic nangyari last 2019 ago, lahat ng klase ng industriya sa tourism nagkaroon ng fell down. Di ba? Nagkaroon ng hindi inaasahang pagsubok kung kaya nilagay namin yung natural disasters.
Next, we'll dive into the strategy components, breaking down each part to understand how it works and why it matters. Strategy components. Mission and vision statement. Cozy Nook Retreats needs to define its purpose and what it wants to achieve in the future. This statement guides their goals and helps them to stay focused on satisfying guests. Identifying the market. They need to figure out who their potential guests are to engage with them better. This means understanding the types of people who would want to stay at Cozy Nook Retreats. Market research and competition. Cozy Nook Retreat should study the lodging industry to gather information. This includes knowing who their competitors are and what they're doing so Cozy Nook Retreats can stand out. Operating budget. It's crucial for Cozy Nook Retreats to plan their finances well. This means figuring out how much money they expect to make and spend in the future. A solid budget helps them to reach their goals and grow, especially in small businesses in the lodging industry.
A strategic assumption. We assume that Cozy Nook Retreat will succeed and survive 2 years from now. We will get the opportunity to be well known in Bulacan and in the rest of the Philippines. And last is no more new competitors.
Good day, Doc Cab. My name is John Mark Hill. The budget requirements the Cozy Nook Retreats is estimated cost of starting a local product can range from 1,500,000 to 2 million pesos. However, it's essential to note that this just an estimated and actual cost can vary depending on unforeseen expenses. Saan nga po ba mapupunta yung pinaka-budget namin? Siyempre, sa building property, interior design, and equipments and suppliers, and marketing strategy. So, vision statement and strategic directions. For Cozy Nook Retreats, a vision statement is important. In fact, it serves as their inspirations, directions, and framework for all strategic planning. The best vision show who they serve, what they provide, and what differentiates them from other business that provide the same local products and service as them, however, without carrying out strategic directions. The visions of the company will be useless. Strategic direction is the actions the company must take to direct Cozy Nook Retreats toward its visions. Then, yun nga, Cozy Nook Retreats vision statement. The vision of Cozy Nook Retreats is to provide a place of rest, relaxations, enjoyment for food, and renewal to those are weary and heavy laden. Sabi nga dyan, yung pinaka-vision statement namin is ito yung pinaka-good service. Mabigyan namin ng magandang serbisyo yung ating mga guests. Tapos mabigyan po rin po natin sila ng magandang matutuluyan para makapag-relax po sila or para ma-enjoy din po nila yung mga masarap naming pagkain po. Then, ayun na nga po, the Cozy Nook Retreat Strategic Directions. To win their loyalty, good service, and also satisfy the customer, will offer the proper service through our quality of foods and good service. Kunin namin yung pinaka-loyalty ng aming mga guests para sa pamamagitan ng pagbibigay ng magandang serbisyo. Then, despite the affordable cost of our foods offer and also the bed offer, we offer the best service and best foods in the area. Good service sa aming customer ay naman po ang pinaka dapat pong gawin sa ating mga guests and customer kapag meron tayong mga customer. Then after nun, the through direction marketing, public relations, online advertising, and personal selling, we promote the profile and Cozy Nook Retreats. So, yun po.
Strategic plan. The Cosinok Retreat strategy aimed to increasing the sustainability of the business. The objective could be to reduce energy costs or decreasing a footprint by implementing a recycling program. Second, to sustain long-term existence, the Cosinok Retreats providing a yearly customer service training for all employees to provide excellent service to the guests for a competitive cost. Third, grow sales from new products and services. The Cosinok Retreats will collaborating with a local business that help to support local products and services in the market that are able to keep up with trends and helps the local communities. In terms of technology, the Cosinok Retreats obtain technological advantage to achieve better sales, improve productivity, and acquiring employees with unique skills that Cosinok Retreats a technological advantage. Last, the Cosinok Retreats aim to be a pioneer in terms of retreat service by providing an accurate expectation that meet the guest satisfaction.
Finally, we'll wrap up with a conclusion summarizing the key points of this presentation. Conclusion. In this paragraph, it summarizes the strategic plan for Cosinok Retreats, which is a cozy bed and breakfast place. The plan focuses on providing guests with a wonderful experience, using local resources and supporting the local community. The goal is to be known for offering a relaxing and enjoyable environment for guests. The plan highlights running the business efficiently, engaging with the community, and ensuring satisfaction as a key strengths. Despite challenges faced by small lodging businesses, the plan expressed confidence in Cosinok Retreats' potential to succeed in the market and become a popular choice for travelers seeking peace and happiness.